storyline, you need to have some sort of a system, and that the system that I follow is the middle, is the beginning, middle and end system. यानी कि आप 3 act structure story को study करो, उसको आप follow करो, और अपना content हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि एक formula बनाया हुआ है हमने the 3 act structure का, और हर story को हम लोग 3 act structure में डालते हैं and फिर उसको develop कर लेते हैं. So storyline is very important, and structuring that storyline is even more important. Guys, the last thing, obviously all of us by now know this, that the most important thing in content creation are your tools. Do you guys agree? Yes, no? Yeah? Yeah? What tools do you use? Lighting, phones. Most of us actually don't use cameras. Most of us use phones, because phones have gotten so damn good lately. I mean, just look at all the recent phones coming in, including the Sego 050, which is specializing in content creation. So tools are absolutely the most important. That's why it's on number one. Oi, ye to band ho gaya. Sorry. Tools, number one on my list for a reason. I believe कि अगर आपके पास अच्छा कैमरा नहीं है, तो no matter आपका content आपकी कंटेंट की स्टोरी की क्या क्वालिटी है, ये लाइटिंग आपकी जितनी मर्जी अच्छी ना हो जाए, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, this matters more than anything. The camera that you're shooting with, and that's where we want to talk about Sego, which all of us are here for. Sego का जो phone है, which is in my pocket. If you guys give me 1 second, I can take it out. This phone right here. Sego का जो phone है, this is great for content creators. You know why? Because this has a great camera. Its camera is 64 megapixel का back camera है. And the reason why they claim that they're so good for content creators is because its front camera is 2K pixels, which means कि आप full K 2K resolution के अंदर record कर सकते हैं your content, which I think for all of us is such a great thing. Not only that, this has great battery life. इसका जो processor है वो बहुत अच्छा है. I'm told, I don't know the technical details. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with technical details. I just when I grab a tool such as a cell phone camera, I just check out the camera in real life and how it works. I've tested it. It looks great so far. Also, it's 120 hertz की screen, which is liquid fast. It's amazing. You're never gonna know you're using a phone. I mean, you are using a phone, but it's gonna be a seamless experience. So yeah, for number one, tools, and for tools, Sego ka 050 is amazing at it. That's it. Woo! Right? Front camera is 32 megapixel. अभी हमें फोन पे पता लगा कि हुआ है. Front camera is तालियां. Front camera is 32 megapixel, ladies and gentlemen. What else? That's it.